to another exciting video. In this particular video, we are going to look at how to add a mobile simulator as a Google extension. So what we are looking at is if you want to look at the website that you are building, you want to look at how it looks like on different screen sizes like phones or tablets. You want a simulator to be able to like tell that or assist you to write your media queries. Okay. So you just go ahead on your browser and type in mobile simulator, and on the search content, the second one you can see mobile simulator. You can see that is on the webmobilefirst.com, and then we just want to head to that particular search content. All right. So once the window open and you're on the landing page, you want to go ahead and click on install the Chrome extension. All right. So you can see this big blue button here, and then once you open it, then it goes to the extension window, and then you can see that the name of the application boldly written as mobile simulator responsive testing tool. And then on your right you can see that I have already installed this extension. I've already added this extension to my Chrome, and so it's just telling me, okay, if you want to remove this extension from your Chrome, then I can remove it from my Chrome. But then in your case, you should have it there that add extension to Chrome. All right. So once you click on it, it will take a few minutes to a few seconds to add this particular extension to your Chrome. And then once that is done, I want us to head back to the Chrome. You can click these three dots that are closed, and then you can head to extensions and then manage extensions. Okay, once you head to manage extensions, you should see mobile simulator as one of the extensions, and you can remove it. You can go for much more detailed information about this extension. And then yes, so once you have it as part of an extension, it means that this extensions was successfully added to your Chrome. Now let's just look at how we can test this application. So for a test case, we're just going to head to YouTube. Okay. Right, so this is kind of my YouTube window, very normal stuff. And then we want to go in there and inspect. Okay, you don't really have to inspect, that's kind of the old way that you can go to activate the mobile view on this page from the mobile simulator logo there. Right, so once you are there, you can see that I have mobile simulator, and then you can see so many of the videos. You can see how YouTube appears on this particular mobile screen, and then if you click on the right where it says new, and then you have that logo of a laptop and a mobile phone, you can select different devices that you can test the responsiveness of your application on it. And then as you can see, devices from Samsung, Google Pixel, Huawei, and then you also have some Apple smartphones. Yes, so you can test them on the iPhone 5, iPhone X, iPhone 13 Pro Max. These are just other devices that you can test how your application would do if it were to be used by someone on a mobile device. Okay. Yes, so down here too you have iPads. Yes, so these are larger screens that you can check how the application will appear. Alright, so yeah, I hope this video helps you out if you want to test how your application will appear on different devices. This can be a very helpful tool. Right, thank you for watching today's video. I hope this video was helpful.